welcome back. And we are on part 2. So, thinking of ratios, we know ratios. I'm assuming that we can work with ratios still. So I'm asking for what is 19 is how many hundredths of 20. So I'm going to use ratios here. And I'm going to write 19 of 20. And then I'm going to set this equal to, not sure, right, of 100. Okay, so how do I find this out? Well, you guys know that I multiply, right? And I'm going to multiply by 5, and then I'm going to multiply by 5, because that is how we find those ratios. So this is 19 to 20, and this will then be 95 to 100. Okay. Now, I have that ratio of 19 to 20 and 95 to 100, and they're equivalent to each other. How would I write this as a fraction? Well, we do the 19. This is a part-whole relationship, right? 19 out of 20, and then, so this would be 95 over 100. So what would the percentage be? Well, the percentage would then be, we should know this, is 95%. So what is 15% of 40? And I forgot to erase this part. But we can use that as an example. It's okay. So what is 15% of 40? Well, I'm going to do it in the same way. I don't know how much I have, do I? So I don't know how much I have, and then I have 40 here. Okay, and I can write then 15, I know, is compared to 100. It's 15 of 100, right? We know this. Or I could write this as a fraction, right? I don't know how much I have out of 40, but I do know 15 is always going to be over 100. Okay, and then I can figure this out. Okay, so if I was going to do it and figure it out, right? 40 doesn't really divide or multiply into this easy, so I could make this 20, right? Remembering that I divided by, I'm going to change colors here real quick. Okay, in order to do this, I divided this guy, right, by 2. So I'm going to need to make sure I multiply by 2. And then I can now, so that's to multiply by 5, that would be 3. So this coming back would be 3, right? And then I have to multiply it by 2, so that would be 6. And I can double check this by going, this is 3, right? Multiply by 5 here, multiply by 5 here, and it's equal.